guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing this season's Boxycharm Luxe, and this is for the season of spring 2023. So if you'd like to see what's inside this box, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so the first thing in the Luxe box is, you guys, I freaked out when I saw this, Pat McGrath Labs. This is the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. Can we just talk about this gorgeous packaging? It is so stunning, and it is such a pretty little palette, and I do have this on my eyes today. These are so buttery and just rich. They're out of order, you guys, sorry, but they are so super pigmented and so beautiful. I've never tried Pat McGrath makeup before, and I've always wanted to, and I've just never gotten around to it. So I'm really excited that this was in the Luxe box. Next, we have the KVD Tattoo Liner Pencil. And this is an ultra smooth, transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner that's waterproof and all day wear. It sets fast, so it locks into place, but it gives you enough time to line, smudge, or go graphic. This is vegan, and what I like about it is that it is retractable. Next in the Boxycharm Luxe box, we have the Verb Moringa and Jojoba Treatment Oil. This is for the hair, and it's supposed to hydrate, nourish, balance, and repair. This is a hydrating multi-use serum formulated to reduce breakage, fight dry scalp, and repair damage. It's silicone-free, fragrance-free, and 100% natural. It's supposed to reduce breakage by 73% and mend split ends by 64%. And it'll seal in that moisture. Next in the Luxe box, we have the LYS Beauty Complexion Brush Duo. And you guys, these brushes are so amazing. One is for foundation and the other one is to sculpt and bronze. And these can be used for liquid, cream, or powder. I had already applied my foundation today and then I totally forgot about this, but I did use this for a little bit of bronzer and I absolutely love it. Next, we have the Truly Beauty Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter. And this has coconut, rose, shea butter, vegan collagen booster, and algae extract boost inside. And it is vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, and made in the USA with global ingredients. And you guys, this smells so good. And I already dipped into it, but as you can tell, it was so pretty. This is going to nourish and brighten the skin and give you that youthful glow. Next in the box, we have this iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. Here is what it looks like. It's so pretty and sleek. And this is the perfect palette to create that flushed, fresh face kind of look. And it is so pretty. And then what's also cool is that not only do these work as blush, but they also work as a lippy as well. And I do have this on today. I'm wearing this shade right here, and it just blended out like a dream. Next, we have the Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing Treatment plus Reusable Applicator. And this is going to gently clarify, purify, and smooth the skin by getting rid of all those dead skin cells. Here's your reusable cloth, and here is the product. And this is going to go deep into the pores and brighten, refine, and give you that healthy glow again. Last but not least, in the Boxycharm Luxe box for spring 2023 is the Uoma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. You guys, I am in love with this packaging. It is like ancient Egypt, very cool. And here's what it looks like. This moisturizes and promotes lash growth, and I do have this on today. All right, you guys, that is it for the Luxe Box Spring 2023. Let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.